Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix sleep mode not working after Android 15 update in Moto G77. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, clear clock app cache. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app search, clock app. Now click on clock, storage, click on storage and cache. Now here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, clock will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear cache of modes and routine. Open setting, scroll down, again click on apps. Now click on see all apps. Click on three dots more option. Click on show system apps and search modes and routine. Now click on modes and routine. Scroll down. Click on storage and cache. Now here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. Now go back. After that, reset all setting. Open setting. Scroll down. Click on system. Scroll down. Click on reset options. Scroll down. Click on reset device setting and again click on reset device setting. After click on reset device setting, all setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix sleep modes not working after Android 15 update in Moto G77. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.